Well, there she goes. She's all wrapped up, ready to go. It's pretty simple, guys. Just like this. Usually I use a bigger pan at the bottom there, and I use a smaller one today because I got to transport that turkey later on. But I'm going to have to put something bigger underneath that one as well, too, to collect more of the juice for sure. Yeah, that's going to be pretty wild. So I'm going to use some foil paper. It's going to go on top of this. I use the heavy duty, very thick foil paper. Probably going to add a couple of pieces of toothpicks there on top so the paper doesn't touch the meat. And yeah, so there we go. So she's ready to go in the oven. So it's about 11:30 now. So I'm going to put her in the oven around noon. So she will be ready at around 4:30. So I'm going to go up the mountain, ski for about 2-3 hours, have lunch. We have a reservation at 12:45. Yeah, and then come back here. Let that sucker rest, and then have dinner. Sure you know well.